What if I told you could improve your life if you can improve the way you make financial decisions? Think about the best financial decision you've ever made. Now, think about the worst financial decision you've ever made. Did your best decision turn out positively? Did your worst decision turn out negatively? If you're like most people, the results help you determine whether or not a decision was good or bad. The most crucial step in making sound financial decisions begins with clarity. Clarity comes from understanding what is important to you and what you want to accomplish with your money. From my work over the last 20 years, I have found there are three main themes when it comes to making financial decisions. Theme 1, happiness. Happiness is the freedom to be able to do whatever makes you happy. Number 2, protection. Having money to ensure that you feel secure. And number 3, responsibility. The ability to look after the ones we love. What do you want your money to accomplish? Want to learn more? Follow me for more tips on how to make better financial decisions.